Bagram. All right, so one question that I know we all have gotten. We've had clients, of course, insurance company offers their policy limits, and they talk about, well, I want punitive damages. I want punitive damages. So I did the research. It says, can you get punitive damages for a car wreck in Mississippi? The answer is actually yes, if it's gross negligence. But what folks don't understand is liability coverage does not pay a punitive damage award. And I've been doing this 31 years. I've never had an award of punitive damages out there. So when they say gross negligence, what do you think would potentially open up a driver to that?
The simplest answer is a DUI.
That's what I was.
I mean, that comes to mind very quickly. A lot of clients that I talk to want punitive damages for people on their phone.
Texting and driving.
Texting and driving and things of that nature. But you're also going to have to be able, you'd have to prove that in court. So you would have to get phone records at the exact moment of the accident that they were typing or sending or talking. And then I can plug my phone into the car and I can talk while I'm texting. So if that showed up, you would, I mean, I guess it would say like Siri texted, but you'd run into a lot of problems on punitive damages on anything other than like DUI or something extraordinary.
Yeah. And I think most people think, well, the insurance is going to pay it, which it's not. So, you then have a judgment against an individual. If they have a $25,000 policy or maybe even a $50,000 policy, they're more likely than not judgment proof anyway that's out there.
So even people that, if you got in a situation where somebody tried to claim punitive damages against you, your policy, like you said, excludes punitive damages unless it's not written in there.
Yep.
But even when we're negotiating with insurance companies, I'll threaten, I'll just bring it up.
You have to.
Just to add leverage to it.
Yeah.
And sometimes they will. They'll consider it within the policy limits, typically.
Yeah.
But above that, you definitely have to come out of their pocket.
Yeah. I definitely think they'll add it as putting additional dollars on the underlying claim if it's a DUI or someone got a ticket for texting and driving or clearly got a ticket for running a stop sign or something of that nature. So